She's my baby. Hard to believe I just have a baby left in high school. It's crazy. And your oldest is a senior, right? Okay. Oh my gosh.
And then my 8th grader was marching in so that he could that's 3 years old.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
It makes it tricky though.
Yep, it does. It does. I've done it before with 3. I only had that like 1 year with 3, but yeah, it's tough.
I can't find my children.
Right? I know. I loved it because Evelyn had blue hair last year or the year before last.